Hello, I'm Ian Peacock, MD of the Aztec Group. First of all, I'd like to thank Rob, the University of Liverpool and the LCEI. This is our third project with the Liverpool Uni, focusing on improving our sustainability practices and involve the installation of solar panels on our factory. Post-Grenfell, we've focused resources for the expansion on a fire strategy arm of our business. We refurbished our factory in Bootle to create a supply, convert and laminate fire doors that are fully certified. Whilst lowering our carbon footprint has always been part of a longer plan, this opportunity to receive a grant allowed us to move one significant step towards our sustainability goals. In December alone, the solar panels were already generating 40% of our energy requirements, so a resounding success. We're thrilled to have had the LCEI support and advisor of the fund, and believe that the continued collaboration between academia and business is integral to improving the environmental impact. Thank you.